Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I want to give you a quick demo or walkthrough of the Socicake local agency kit, okay? Now, remember, with the agency kit, you get a done-for-you proposal, graphics, email script, telemarketing script, even a website, everything that helps you get clients on board, in addition to all the Socicake local software solutions. So you're looking at right now at the members area, okay, when you log in. Now here on the left-hand side are all your software solutions, right? These are 12 different software apps that you're gonna get to make sure that you get great results for you and your clients, right? There's a different demo video that you can watch if you wanna see each of these solutions here in action. But when it comes to getting clients, right, helping you to present yourself and your business with confidence and getting clients on board, that's where the agency kit comes in, right? Where you get the proposal, the email sequence, the telemarketing script, all these cool resources that are done for you, and you get an agency website. So I want to show you how that works, right? If you want to, let's actually start with the website. First of all, I'm going to show you a website. You get a done-for-you messenger bot website, okay, where you can sell messenger bot services, and a social media website. If you want to preview them, you can just click here on preview and it's going to bring you straight to the website. Now, this is a very clean looking, a very professional website that helps you to sell Facebook services, social media services, Facebook bot services, okay? This right here. It's super clean. You can customize it to your liking. You can add your own call to action. You can customize everything right here and you're going to be good to go, okay? So you're going to have your own agency website live up and running, which is sweet. Now, if you want to download any of the resources, let's say, for example, the proposal right here, you just click on it and then you click here on get access and it's going to download it straight to your computer. Once you have it on your computer, you just open it up. Let me show you how it looks like. Let's go here, for example, with let's see, the actual agreement, right? So this right here is a professional agreement, okay? We had the help of an attorney to put this together, a professional agreement that you can use with your client. So next time when you sign up a client, you can actually wow them with a professional, really good looking and clean agreement. This one here specifically focused on messenger bots, the other one on social media, and you get to use that and you're gonna be good to go to protect yourself, but also to protect your client, for example, okay? What else do we have here? Here is the email script, right? These are pre-written emails that you can send out with your autoresponder, or you can reach out to prospects directly, and they're pre-written by our copywriter to help you get clients on board, okay? Here's a graphic, okay? You can use these graphics. We have different ones for business cards, for brochures. We have letterheads for you. Anything that you need to communicate and make yourself look professional, we have that for you. You can obviously customize all of that and you're gonna be good to go. What else do we have here? We have an invoice template, okay? This is a professional invoice, so that next time when you invoice your client, you're gonna present yourself in a very professional way. You can customize the logo, the text, obviously the price point, your services, and there's a PayPal option, credit card. You can fully customize that. That's available for you as well. And then let's see what else we have here. We have some done-for-you Facebook ads. You can also customize them. We have different variations of that for you as well. And the list just goes on and on, okay? So you can see we have the email template and, the graphics and everything that I just showed you. Everything that you see here on the screen is what you're gonna get, okay? Now remember, you get two of them. For Facebook messengers and for social media agency kit. You get all of that, right? The business cards, the proposals, the email script, telemarketing script, the Facebook ads, the contract, all of that for two different niches that you can go after, and in addition to the actual website. And don't forget, you get the 12 done-for-you software solutions as well, all included for one low price. I hope that makes sense. I hope that you see that we worked really hard to put some massive value in this. We're really trying to over-deliver here. If you have any questions, just reach out. But right now, go ahead, take action. I can't wait to see you inside of Socicake Local. Trust me, you're gonna love it.